Hey guys, thank you so much for watching that last video on a little bit about Barlow's. I hope you learned something. Now it's time to get our hands dirty. So what I'm going to do is, you guys are going to get these bags, and in these bags is a whole project for you guys to work on. Alrighty? So I'm going to show you what to do, and then your teachers are going to take you outside or somewhere in your classroom, and you guys are actually going to do this. So let's see what we have in our bag first. So what we have is we have 2 pots, 1 teeny tiny tomato plant, 1 tomato tag. You see how it's nice and red? That's the tomato tag. A small bag with a cucumber tag, and a bag of soil. What you're going to do is you're going to take your cucumber bag and one of your pots. We are going to fill up the pot with soil. So when you open your Ziploc bag, you can take your pot and stick it in your bag and fill it up with soil. What you want to do is you want to make sure that you fill it till the soil's all the way to the top. So you can either stick your hand in there and fill it up, or you can stick your pot in there. So we have it, see, it's nice and filled up. Don't pack it down, just let it stay nice and fluffy. Then what I want you to do is, see this bag here? I want you to open the bag up and take the tag out. Here's the tag. You're going to stick the tag in the pot just like that. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your finger and you're going to poke a hole right inside the center of the pot. Because inside of your bag there are 3 little seeds. You're going to take those seeds, you can put them in your hand. See these seeds right here? See how tiny they are? And you're going to put the 3 seeds in the hole. And then you can cover the hole up just like that. And what you have is you have just seeded a cucumber plant. This cucumber will start to grow in about 2 to 3 days. You'll start to see it sprout up. You're going to give it a little bit of water when you get home and put it on your windowsill in your kitchen. And then once May 1st comes around, you can plant that cucumber outside in your garden. That's the first plant you're going to do. Once you're done with that, you're going to put it inside, back inside your bag. And now we have our next pot. This pot has the tomato in it. So you have your little tomato, your tomato tag, and your pot. You can take the rest of your soil and fill up your pot. Like that. So same thing, you don't want to pack it down, but you want to fill it all the way to the top. Then you can take your tomato tag and stick it inside of your pot, all the way down so it doesn't fall out. Then you're going to take your tomato and you're going to plant it. Now, are we going to plant it like this? No, we need the roots to go in the pot. So what I want you to do is dig a hole in there, and I want you to bury it pretty deep. So if you look here, you can bury it all the way up to here. And you're going to put it in there, and then you're going to push the soil back around it. Then you could take your tomato plant and put it back in your bag right next to your cucumber plant. And then your teachers can write your name on the side of the bag. So now when you guys get home, we're going to take these 2 plants, we're going to give them some water till the water comes out the bottom. See the holes in the bottom of it? Till the water comes out the bottom. And then you're going to put it on your windowsill in a sunny spot, whether in your room or in your mom's kitchen, wherever you find a good sunny spot for it. These plants cannot go outside, though, until after May 1st. It's going to be way too cold out. Then you're going to grow them in your garden, and I hope you guys can get some cucumbers and some tomatoes. If you don't have a garden, you can get a larger pot and put them in that. I hope you guys enjoy the activity, and come in and stop and see me and let me know how your garden goes. Thanks so much, and have a great day.